Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make European Mocha Soda Strawberry. First thing you gotta do is you open up this hot chocolate mix, which is European, and you pour it into this mug. And then after that, you fill up the strawberry milk. After that, you open up this that PC Club Solo Sodium, and take a spoon, see how it tastes. Last but not least, you pour in the strong coffee. And here is your European Mocha Soda Strawberry. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.